we are at the GP, our GP surgery. I came with my daughter. She has an immunization for MRI 2. C'est the second one for the preschool one. Là, tu pas GP, na yotika mwana nga mwasi. Azana vaccin ya biso en anglais to benga ngo MRI 2. Na yetu na français ba benga ngo nini o ezaka ya preschool ya maternelle ou à 3 ans. Yango na yotika e azwa donc to fanjwana dose la probaleka na kubenga biso. Probaleka na kubenga biso donc yango wana donc na yetu so akulela don't fish I don't know if she will cry because I don't know. You know, everyone is scared the needle when you see the needle. Everyone is scared. Yango na yotika na yetu so akulela po mino sabanga katunga. Tozaliwana donc aosenga water. She said she want to drink water. I need to ask water for her at the reception. Na is not saying a minor reception. Bapesa Amila and Atana Dozela while we are waiting for the nurse to call us. Just she's sitting there. It's very important as a mom to make sure our children they have all their immunization. It's good for them. It's important. So mama kopesa bana biso ba vaccin. It's très important. So moi na vaccin ba tindolo pesa ba botami donc il faut que l'on ba vaccin est très important. It is very important to make sure your child, your son or your daughter have got their all immunization to keep them healthy, to keep them safe as well. Because we know some parents, especially in Africa, if you don't give your children immunization, you know we know what he leads. Maybe they have it leads maybe to disability. You know it's not good to hear bien. What hit you? What hit you?
The doctor.
What the doctor did?
He helped me with my
Oh, that's your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fine. It's injection. Let's go.
It's an injection.
Yeah, it's injection.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
The GP. This is my daughter. My daughter bought the beans. Tona kenepa GP moi na mama sa tukisi madesu, and she made the sauce. Pia salina sauce ya madesu. That's why when I buy it, I need to help her to put my sauce in the pot. Mom, you need to teach your children how to cook. Even boy, even kid. You see, she cooked the sauce and she bought the beans. I sali sauce, pe, sani atukisi madesu. Sukwa na yekaka, na chikela instruction. She did what I said. Then, you know, she make it. You know, need to la sabana shinenga kulamba mama. Eza basi za mali la kisaba ngwa atukisi madesu asali sauce na yenga na yekaka. Na cholomo ka faciliter nga tâche, you know. A faciliter nga tâche pour na sanini quand on voit kaka boye. Na bandi ko cha sauce et puis retourner en ke sanini et beli na ngo. Now we're gonna put a little bit water. I will put a spoon here. Now try to spoon it. Now I will just check it. Then I will let it to cook about 15 minutes. Na uchika ngo na bakisi mama ya mke na uchango lutute na unisa okaka ebe la tama pendant 15 à 20 minutes et puis na okanga ngisho. Yeah, now my beans already. C'est quoi ma gâche na chez beli na déjà. C'est la tola ma solo so. Bona kola na biso. Doa ole la ngweza na ngo. There is something beside our beans. It's always cooked now. Eza yakobela desha. My microwave. This is my new microwave. Oh, na nini skona Déballer. Microwave nanga bado na Micronde. Ona zaki na wana yondo sa subiente. Ya wana suye mususu. I bought a new one. Now I need to unbox. I bought it at Asda. Nasomia na Asda. This is my first time to use that tips. Ela mbanga liboso na somba boye. Na somba ba regarde. I need to buy the number one. But this one I don't know if I'm gonna cope with that.
I need to check
I need to come on. Yeah, I buy this size because I don't want to take the big one. I don't have much space to put the big one. Now somebody has ni babi en size ni ya size izani. Size oyo. Pour la nidi ya munene, kaza pena iska place ya munene za iska pa kuchanga penza te. Mwana oyo ezali nene. Oyo eza plate nango. This is the plate. It's not bad. So the other one is broken. That's why I take this one. It's not bad. Just you're gonna put food. Even the big one is small. You're gonna just warm the food. Either I'm nene, either I'm okay. So if you take a block, there is main option. There is time diffuse, weight diffuse, power level, cook setting, kitchen timer. Yeah, you can cook it. Pot fish, vegetable, pizza, potato, beverage pass. C'est une option belle. Il y a une option salée là donc time is on. Mais montre, sauf montre sur une place il y a diffuse. Et bah moi place c'est bien au tia ko ni fish, au côté on peine ba légumes, tu veux au tia pizza. Pomme de terre, beverage en français. Pour la on peut pasta, ma pâte. Donc, si on finit là, au bouton pour finir là, et que voilà, non ça non. There is main option. Main option this. This is a plate. Yes, I plug it. It's working. Yeah. Open it to touch here. No, I don't know where. This one. But I don't know where to put food. Which one to one? This is open. Après ça, okanga. Après ça, ofungula. Donc, you have to select what you want to put in. Then you're gonna start working. Opening number now you go side that. It's working. Okay, I bought another. Yeah, I need to stop. Where open. So nyawa ifungwa. I bought also some this toaster. There is free option as well. You can make a toast. You can grill toast, waffles. On peut faire ba gaufre. On sait la pina ba toaster. Pour tomber mapa. Donc il y a trois plats, il y a bien trois options. Il y a free option. Let's open as well. Yeah, it's good because children they like waffles. You know, they can. But waffle. So moi tu go salad. Those are plates. This is for waffles. And then this one for salmon juice. When they have a sandwich, it was 20 pounds. They put it 17. Microwave I bought it. I think it was 7 something. They put 7 something. My wife is saying 7 something. Là, il y a 70 na pourcentage. Machine là, il y a 20 litres de bachana, na 20 na 17. Okay, green na you, eh? This one from salmon juice. Okay. Always have a toaster. I don't want to fix it. This for toast. This one for waffles. Oh no, this one for this one for waffles. And this is okay. Let's go. Do it like this. This is I think this is spare one, eh? Now more always I say please. So more baby and then usali pe ya. This is for sale. For spare one. Yeah. It was a long day for me. I went to Asa, I got Micronde and some this toaster. Also I went to drop my daughter to the doctor's surgery to have the first second injection for 3 years one MAR MAR for 3 years one. I never got vaccine ya MAR na franchise ni oya 3 ans oya preschool wana na kena chikie ndesko na zongi na bitsko na Déballer total yango biso to fungula mwa biloko na sombi. That's why I say that I'm gonna unpack to see what I took to ask her. It's not too bad. My problem is white, then this one. I think children they wanna enjoy waffle. Because they like waffles. I always buy in the shop. Now somebody kind of shop there. But yes, when I saw go this one. Yeah, here you can even clear. This one you can even do your meal. That's good. It's good, yeah. That's why this is my end of video. I always say if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit notification bell. Don't forget to comment, to share Mimi Kaka TV. If you want Mimi Kaka TV growing, all the gifts you can give to Mimi Kaka TV, just to subscribe and to hit the notification bell, to share Mimi Kaka TV video. So when you share Mimi Kaka TV, qui est toujours de l'avant. Cadeau au fait Mimi Kaka TV, zakaka, ko s'abonner, ko push notification, na ko partager ma vidéo, ko liker, nzamba ko na pas la bino for today. I think it's my end of the video. If I have another video, I'll come then to share with you. Also when I went to GP. Yeah, that's why it's my end of video. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Stay safe. Then I say bye bye.